for anyone that is experiencing the same problem as I have. This is an HP M225dw, sorry. This printer always starts up like this, then there's a question mark at the end of it. I'm not gonna cut it, because there it is. You get that question mark. The repair for this that has been said throughout a lot of forums was to restart this. So I'm gonna unplug it. To unplug it, and then plug it back in. And the repair was to, once turning it on, hold down here, turn it on, then let it go. Once it gets to this HP mark, just let it go. And it should go to the permanent storage right there. Now, what happens is that when it gets to this screen, is the screen that's going to come up, the initializing screen, it freezes for a long time, a really long time. I'm not going to show that in the clip. This is where it stays. Then it would just be stuck in a boot loop, basically. And then you would see a 79 service error at the end of it. The fix for this is to, I'm gonna show you on the side here. I thought it was this area right here. This is the formatter, sorry. The bottom is the fax circuit board. So what I'm going to do is just disconnect this part right here. Once that is disconnected, I'm going to turn this off by unplugging it, and then plug it back in. And I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm just gonna let it do what it has to do. This is a LaserJet M225dw. And now it's up and running. All because of this little bad boy. Now you can just replace it or just leave it disconnected. If you're not using the fax part of your machine, just leave it disconnected. You're gonna get this. Well, I'm getting this. Click OK. There's a message gonna say that this hardware has a problem. We're just gonna click OK. You're gonna set it up to English. Yes, yes, yes. IT manage. Yeah, oh, damn it. Yes. Whatever. Yeah. And we're up and running. Thank you for watching.